channel. Today we will study about the logic propositions used in Python. Here first we have to import logic library as from logic import star for performing all the operations in prepositions. In the next we have taken three prepositions p, q and r. This var is used for creating prepositions. And next let's see, we have taken p, q and r as a prepositions. So let's see, p is a, here we can check p is a preposition. Next check q is also a preposition. Next we have to check, next let's check r is also a preposition. Now we can perform many different formulas on these prepositions. Let's take the first formula as p or q and not p. This is stand for not p implies q. So run. Next the formula is, we can check the formula is, sorry, this is formula 1. We can see here the formula is preposition. And next if you have to print the truth table for the formula 1, then we have to write formula under print truth table. Here we can see the truth table related to this. Here is the truth table for this. Next, this is here all the outcomes for this truth table is true. So if we want to check the tautology for the formula 1, then the tautology for the formula 1 is also true, because tautology means the outcomes of the truth tables. Similarly, we can take formula 2 for the prepositions. Formula 2 is p and q implies r, and the formula 3 is p implies q implies r. So next we have to print the truth table for the formula 2. Then it will be, here we can see the truth table for the formula 2. And if implies formula 2 equals to formula 3, then it's true. And if you want to check formula 1 is equal to formula 2 or not, then here we can check this is false. Now for the operation performing the proposition p and q, then for the truth table for p or q, here we can check the truth table for the p and q is, here is the truth table for the p or q. So we have to check the truth table for p and q. So here we can check the truth table for the prepositions p and q. Next we have to check the truth table for the p or q prepositions. Here is the truth table for the p or q operator. And next here not p is also in now this is also in preposition. So let's check truth table for not p. Here is the truth table for not p prepositions. Now next one is p implies q. So we can check the, now we can check the truth table for the p implies q. Here we got preposition truth table for the preposition p implies q. And next one is next command is p dot if and only if q. Here now we can print true table for this command also. Here is the print true table for this. Here p dot if and only if q true table, we can see if the p is true and the q is also true, then we will get the resultant true, and if one of them is false or one of them is true, then the resultant we will get here will be false. And if both are same, means both are false, then the resultant will also be true. Now next command we have that p and not p is contradiction. This means it is not always true. If contradiction means either of them, if both are same, means if both are true, resultant both are true, or resultant for both them are false. In this true table we can see if p and if and only if q, means if one of the resultant is true or one of them is false, then the resultant will get as false. If both the p and q are true, then the resultant will get is true, and if p and q both are false, then we will get the resultant as true. Now next one is p and not p is a contradiction. Here contradiction means if resultant for both the resultant are false, then it will show contradiction, it will show as true. Now here we can check p and not p as true. Here we can check by the truth table. So now here we can see both the outcomes for both is false, means contradiction is true. Now next one is formula 2 is contingency or not, means it is not always true and not always false. Here for it check the formula whether it is true or false. So here we can see formula 2 is contingency, means it's true, means formula 2 is. So today we have seen about the propositions used in Python. Thank you so much all of you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.